So this is the 2018 Haas ST10 lathe. Attached to it is the Hydro feed bar feeder. We had to use Hydro feed for the smaller diameter rods that we were doing at the time instead of the Haas bar feeder. So it was purchased at the same time. So you can see possibly the tool changer. I think there's 12 stations in total. We were only using certain ones of them. It's got the tailstock, and this is the kind of bar that we was machining to make repetitive spigots on this particular machine mainly, but also along with some nylon ones. Just going around the back. So going around now the side of the machine. It is under power and can be demonstrated running or making something, should you so require. The actual plate on the machine. I've just brought it back in focus. 2018. The bar feeder in excellent working order, if it can just get in focus. Yeah. And these are the kind of bars, nylon bars, we're feeding through the machine. Extra information.